Hello and welcome to Wendbooks Solutions. Today we are going to talk about administration and more precisely about administration preferences and user security. Now, to access administration, you need to have administrative privileges. If you do have, then click Administration and then click Preferences. Now, the first thing is the closing date. You may enter a closing date here, and you may enter a closing date password as well. The closing date prevents users, even with privileges, to edit or modify transactions before this closing date. It's quite useful when you submit your VAT or you do bank reconciliations. After that, you may want to set the closing date so users cannot affect transactions recorded before this closing date. Now, second thing is that we can choose the discount account. This is useful for column discounts and not line discounts. For example, remember if we go to Customer Center and click on Invoice, for example, and then we have the chance to use either a line discount, okay, or a column discount. Now, if we want to use a column discount here, then Wendbooks needs to know where to enter this amount. So this is done from the administration preferences, and here's where we select the discount account to be used for the column discount. Another thing on the preferences is the SMS settings. This works only with Cyprus Telecommunication Authority mobile phone account. So why is this useful and how you can use it? You can set up templates to use when sending statements. For example, you want to notify your clients about their latest balance via SMS. So simply you may go to customers, create statements, set the date, and then you choose SMS statements based on a template that you prepare. Now, in order for the system to be able to send out your SMS, you need to go through Preferences and set up here the username and the password from Cyprus Telecommunication Authority, and you need to prepare an API key. If you have more queries about that, then please contact us and we shall explain you further. Now, another useful information here is the message templates. As said before, we can set transactions or statements or invoices using email directly from our Outlook application. When selecting email, we can choose the email template, the wording that will appear on the email body. Okay, and here is where we select from the preferences, where we select and set up some templates. For example, let's create a new one for invoices, or we may edit the existing one. Add new template. So this will be an invoice type, template name, invoice with payment options, and the sample, for example, should contain invoice, and then right click to select the field to be merged. That could be the number company, and this could be the body. Right click again, you may go first name, last name, or even a salutation on the front. And we may want the reference number here. And the invoice date. And maybe the amount. And maybe the due date as well. Put some payment methods here. Okay. Now you can preview the sample here. Okay. And just click save. Close your invoice, open the invoice again. Let's choose this one, and here is the template. So we can either preview or send. Click send.